Digital gold rush, unlocking the mystery of cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is digital money. It's like online cash, but different. It uses cryptography for security. Cryptography is like a secret code. This code protects your money and makes it hard to steal. Unlike regular money, cryptocurrency is decentralized. This means no bank or government controls it. It's controlled by a network of computers. This network uses a special technology called blockchain. Think of blockchain like a digital ledger. It records every transaction made with the cryptocurrency. This ledger is public and transparent. Everyone on the network can see it. This helps prevent fraud and ensures trust. Cryptocurrency is still new. It has the potential to change how we use money, but it's important to understand the risks before investing. The blockchain revolution. A simple look at a complex technology. Blockchain is the backbone of cryptocurrency. It's a revolutionary technology. It enables secure and transparent transactions. Imagine a digital book. This book records every transaction in chronological order. Each page of this book is a block. Each block is linked to the previous block. This creates a chain of blocks, hence the name blockchain. When you make a cryptocurrency transaction, it's added to a block. This block is then broadcast to the entire network. All computers on the network verify the transaction. Once verified, the block is added to the blockchain. This makes the transaction permanent and irreversible. The blockchain ensures security and trust. It's nearly impossible to alter the blockchain. Each block is linked cryptographically to the previous block. Any attempt to tamper with a block would require changing all subsequent blocks. This would require immense computing power and is practically impossible. Mining for value. How new cryptocurrencies are created. New cryptocurrencies are created through a process called mining. Miners are like digital accountants. They use powerful computers to solve complex mathematical problems. These problems are designed to be difficult and time-consuming. When a miner solves the problem, they add a new block to the blockchain. This process is how new units of the cryptocurrency are created. Think of it like finding gold. Miners are rewarded with cryptocurrency for their efforts. Mining serves several purposes. First, it creates new coins. This is how the cryptocurrency supply is controlled. Second, it secures the network. The computational power required for mining makes it extremely difficult for attackers to manipulate the blockchain. Mining can be energy intensive. It requires specialized hardware and significant electricity consumption. This has raised concerns about the environmental impact of cryptocurrencies. However, efforts are underway to develop more energy-efficient mining methods. Section 4. Riding the crypto roller coaster, investment opportunities and risks. Cryptocurrencies have gained popularity as investment assets. Their value can fluctuate significantly. This volatility creates opportunities for profit, but also carries risks. Investing in cryptocurrencies is like riding a roller coaster. It can be thrilling and rewarding, but also risky. The price of cryptocurrencies is determined by supply and demand. When demand is high, the price goes up. When demand is low, the price goes down. Several factors can influence the demand for cryptocurrencies. These include media attention, government regulations, and technological advancements. It's important to understand the risks before investing. Cryptocurrency markets are highly speculative. Prices can change rapidly and unpredictably. It's crucial to invest only what you can afford to lose. Diversifying your portfolio is also important. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Section 5. Speaking Crypto, your guide to essential cryptocurrency terms. Understanding cryptocurrency involves learning key terms. These terms are essential for navigating digital currencies. Bitcoin, the first and most well-known cryptocurrency, created in 2009 by Satoshi Nakamoto. Bitcoin paved the way for other cryptocurrencies. Altcoin, any cryptocurrency that is not Bitcoin. Examples include Ethereum, Litecoin, and Ripple. Wallet, a digital wallet that stores your cryptocurrency. Types include hardware, software, and paper wallets. Keys, secret codes for accessing your wallet. You need both a public and private key. Keep your private key secure. Fork, when a blockchain splits into two chains. This can happen due to community disagreements. Forks can create new cryptocurrencies. Section 6. The two sides of the coin. Advantages and disadvantages of cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies offer several advantages over traditional financial systems. However, they also come with their own set of disadvantages. Advantages: decentralization. Cryptocurrencies are not controlled by any government or financial institution. This gives users more control over their money. Security: blockchain technology makes it extremely difficult to counterfeit or double-spend cryptocurrencies. Transactions are secure and transparent. Low transaction fees. Cryptocurrency transactions often have lower fees compared to traditional bank transfers, especially for international transactions. Accessibility. Anyone with an internet connection can use cryptocurrencies. This opens up financial services to people who are unbanked or underbanked. Disadvantages. Volatility. Cryptocurrency prices can fluctuate significantly, making them a risky investment. Complexity. Understanding the technical aspects of cryptocurrencies can be challenging for beginners. Irreversibility. Cryptocurrency transactions are usually irreversible. Once a transaction is confirmed, it cannot be undone. Scalability. Some cryptocurrencies face challenges in handling large transaction volumes, which can lead to slow transaction speeds and high fees. Section 7. The Future of Finance. Exploring the potential and challenges of cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies have the potential to revolutionize the financial industry. They offer a glimpse into a future where money is digital, decentralized, and accessible to all. However, several challenges need to be addressed before cryptocurrencies can achieve mainstream adoption. Cryptocurrencies can provide financial services to people in developing countries who lack access to traditional banking. They can facilitate faster and more affordable international money transfers. Cryptocurrencies are enabling the development of decentralized financial applications. Governments around the world are still grappling with how to regulate cryptocurrencies. Lack of clear regulations creates uncertainty for businesses and investors. The price volatility of cryptocurrencies remains a major barrier to adoption. Businesses are hesitant to accept cryptocurrencies as payment due to price fluctuations. While blockchain technology is secure, cryptocurrency exchanges and wallets can be vulnerable to hacks and theft. Cryptocurrencies are still in their early stages of development. The future of cryptocurrencies is uncertain. Hit the like button and subscribe. However, the potential impact on the financial industry and beyond is undeniable. As technology evolves and regulations mature, cryptocurrencies could play an increasingly important role in our digital lives.